Well, it's Christmas Eve, and it looks like SPY might make an end of year rally. It's got a big red candle to overcome, but it's making a move. This could be a candidate for a daily lower high, but we'll see. Several trading days left in the year. Okay, so the gap scanner, haven't looked yet. We have 3 stocks up over 100%, so the momentum continues, it looks like. CREV, look at this nice pattern here. CREV, okay, does it have news? Carbon Revolution shares trading higher after the company announced it has reached an agreement with OIC for further $25 million in financing to support ongoing liquidity of the business. Okay. 25 million in financing, that's pretty big, I suppose. So high pre-market looks like is 1381. $14.19 is a daily level, and the next big one is up at $22.34. And then I'll mark it just in case, $33.90. Who knows, right? All right, so that is the leading gapper, and I will go ahead and load that one up to watch. Okay, AVGR is the second leading gapper here, and it doesn't have any news on it, and it's sold off. Let me see, it's got a nice float, lots of volume traded on it this morning, and it's a little on the cheaper side, trading below VWAP right now, looking for an hourly higher low. Don't know why this one is breaking out. 258 is the high. Nice move initially at 1 a.m. Let me see, there could be news here. No, I don't see any. I just don't know that I want to trade this one. Got a half a trading day today. It's back down here at the 200 moving average. I don't know. I'll come back to it. JTAI, this, let me see, hold on, let me see what we have here as far as sectors. So the first one was the manufacturing sector out of Dublin, Ireland. The second one is also manufacturing, computer and electronics. And then there's JTAI, headquartered in Las Vegas. JTAI launches AVA, an agentic AI model for private jet booking. Okay. Big gnarly candle on the 15-minute time frame there. Pre-market high was at 10.15. This one has There's a big gap up here and it sold off. Gap up here, it moved up initially, but then sold off. I don't know. So it hit pretty much that daily resistance. There's the next one. It's got some big pockets here. All right, so I'll go ahead and keep that one on watch. I don't like the 15-minute candle here, but a lot could happen if it gets back over that. Hourly inside bar. All right. BAOS. Yeah. No news on it, and it's sold off pretty good. It's got a really low float, but yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, so that's BAOS, and that's a no for me. Let's look up here at this one, 48 cents, but it's up 114%. It's got some news on it. It agreed to a private placement with new existing investors of about 8.1 million shares and an equal number of warrants. Okay. So it's got an investment from another company, I guess. People are investing in it. Let's see what. It's at 53 cents. This one might be possibility. Moving average, a 200 moving average is up at $1.08. And then there's a daily resistance up here at $1.27. Right around $2. You know, maybe this one has potential to make a move. Then you got $3 and you got like $2.65. Could it be one of those that takes off and goes? I mean, maybe. Halt levels are going to be pretty tight though. So I don't know. Okay, I'll come back to that too. Let's check this CMND here. So that one's selling off. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of stocks selling off. This one had news on it, it looks like at 509. It's a clinical trial approval of its flagship compound as a treatment for alcohol use disorder. But it's sold off now, so that's a no. This one is light on volume, but it's got a lower float, priced at $7. I don't think I like it. It made that initial move up, but just 1 5-minute candle, and now it's sideways. Well, that was yesterday that it made that move up. ATNF, it's sold off. LAES from yesterday, still holding up. I mean, it had a big day yesterday. You know, it's got a higher float. Where's the next daily resistance at on this? So we're sitting up here close to $7. So right at that daily, this daily level here, 670. So the next one up is 1220. So there's quite a nice pocket there. I mean, I guess it could open up if it were to keep going. I'm gonna just put some of these levels in here just for fun. So yeah, wait, yeah, so it's up here. Well, so yeah, if it can get over that daily level, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in there. Maybe there's something on that one. I don't know. And DRCT low float had news yesterday. This is the one that got halted. So this one made a big move yesterday, but it had really tight halt levels. I think like 15 cents or something. So this thing just halt after halt after halt. It was trading down around 50 cents, much like CTCX today. So that's what I would be worried about on that one. It would be kind of hard to trade it with those type of halt levels. Now today it would be a different story. It is holding up. So this one could be the wild card move. That was a huge move yesterday. Got up above the 200 moving average. There's a gap. The gap fill at 1777. Where do I want to put this? I don't know, you get a couple of different places there. I mean, you know, we'll see. I don't know if I really want to mark this one. I'm going to leave that one the way it is. Let's see what this one does today. Double top at 845. DRCT. So AMPG is holding up, but getting into some lighter volume here now. What do we have over here? HOUR. This one's just now popping up. I don't see any news. So why it's popping up, I don't know. Still a buy. LGMK, so that one popped up and sold off with no news. So, you know, this one might do the same thing. And I suppose I'll mark out some daily levels in case it gets some traction here. Big red candle. 489. So that's the next daily resistance. all-time highs at 1033, but this might be where it starts to pull back here. Okay, just about 15 minutes to go. So we had CTCX, it's selling off. I don't think I want to look at CTCX. You know, like I said, even if it does do something at the open, it's, you know, those halt levels are going to be pretty tight. And then AVGR, it was the second leading gapper. It's kind of sold off. And this one, this one did not have news. So I'm not sure why it's gapped up so much from right around 60 cents all the way up to 258. Yeah, I don't know. The attention feels kind of dispersed today. I don't know which one is the right one to be looking at. I'm just gonna go with what I have here, I guess, and we'll just watch these and then watch the 5-day scan and see if, you know, something else pops up. Hour might start to sell off here, showing some higher red volume. We'll see on that. But for now, let's see what CREV. I'm gonna go ahead and load this and see what the seconds charts looks like. So this one had a long upper wick on a 15-minute candle. It held up. It didn't sell off right away like it could have. But it looks like it might be due for hourly consolidation here. I think both CREV and JTAI both kind of look the same as far as needing to consolidate more. Both having upper red wicks on the 15-minute time frame. So definitely the resistance to get over is 1279 on this one. 1106 is that support. At 848, 891 is a smaller level. Higher low down at 707. This nice breakout spot got back tested. Okay, so there's that. Looks like hour might just sell off. Still don't see any news on it. LGMK. PIK. This one here, this one's choppy. Okay, so got a 5-minute downtrend now on CREV, starting to take shape here. But JTAI is holding up so far. These two over here, boy, I just I like the hourly time frame here, kind of. I can't say I really like it. Definitely like the daily. But I think on DRCT, I'm not really wanting to trade it unless it gets up over some of these levels. LAES. I think it's worth mentioning that I've had a very busy night at work and I feel pretty tired, pretty groggy this morning. So what that's going to mean for me as far as my trading goes, we'll see. I've got my max loss system turned on and it will tell me if I am too tired to trade. I'll know. All right, so we had a break over 891, just barely. And that's where the shorts went short, and now it's pulling back. So we have support down at 707. Take a look here at the scans one more time. So hasn't sold off yet, but it's getting close to dropping back down. AVGR, so these I'm watching. BAOS, and that's that one. CMND. That one I'm watching. Oh, this one looks interesting though, you know? Definitely looks interesting. Could be good. Yeah. AMPG. There's just too many stocks to look at. Okay, so 2 minutes to go. Looking at the 15-minute time frames here. This one likely going to close with a lower wick off of the 9 EMA. So if that is our 15-minute higher low, that would be cool. But it is a 5-minute downtrend. Next level of support is down in this area. This one is going to close as a 15-minute candle that broke out and failed, so that's not very interesting to me for a long. It would have to get back up over at 891. And 897 for me to be interested, I think, in that. This one here, 15-minute time frame, coming down to some support there. But I don't know. So I mean, it is a bull flag, but I don't know. Kind of have to look at the hourly candles on these, but the 15-minute candle here is going to close down here at this support. I don't really want to buy it down there. If this thing flushes, I'm not going to be happy about that. This one I don't mind so much. I want to see volume come into it though. So we got some support down in this area. Let's wait and see what happens here. So here we go. Go ahead and buy this one off of 6. And add to it down there. It's going to flush right through. It's a big drop. Ah,